All right, so today we're doing something a little different.
Oh.
Yeah.
Different, good or different bad?
Hopefully good different.
Okay.
We're diving deep
Okay.
into pediatric dentistry.
Pediatric dentistry.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
Right. Not exactly,
Ancient Rome.
yeah, not exactly like
Rocket science.
rocket science or,
Yeah.
true crime.
Right.
But
Yep.
it's more interesting than you might think.
I'm willing to be convinced.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So we've got some marketing material
Okay.
from a place called Fairfield Pediatric Dentistry.
All right.
And we're going to kind of take a look at,
Okay.
what they're saying
Yep.
and how they're presenting themselves
I see.
and see if we can figure out, like,
Okay.
what their values are.
So we're like
Yeah.
detectives,
A little bit.
but for dentistry.
Yeah.
Okay.
So one of the things that they say a lot
Okay.
is we treat your child like our own. And they also talk about, creating positive dental experiences for life.
Interesting.
So what do you think about that? Like,
Well, it
those phrases?
definitely seems like they're trying to create a certain feeling,
Yeah.
right? Like
Warm and fuzzy.
warm and fuzzy. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I think it's smart. Okay, I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
Taking your kid to the dentist.
It's not always fun.
No, it can be scary for everyone involved.
Absolutely.
The kid, the parents.
For sure.
So I think by, saying that they're going to treat your child like their own,
Yeah.
they're signaling the parents, like,
Yeah.
we understand your anxieties.
Right.
We're not just focused on the teeth.
Right.
We care about the whole child.
Yeah, it's like they're saying, hey,
Yeah.
we're parents too.
Exactly.
We get it.
We get it.
Yeah.
And you can trust us.
Okay. So they also talk about this idea of using simple and approachable language.
Okay.
What do you think that's all about?
Well, I think it goes back to building trust.
Okay.
If they're using language that everyone can understand,
Yeah.
it makes the whole experience feel more transparent,
Right.
more accessible.
Well,
There's no
yeah.
complicated dental jargon.
Right.
No one's talking down to you.
Right.
It just feels honest and straightforward.
Yeah.
And that can be really reassuring,
Yeah.
especially for parents who, might already be feeling a little overwhelmed,
Right.
a little anxious.
Yeah. So it's not just about the kids. It's
Mhm.
about making the whole experience
Exactly.
less stressful.
Yeah, for everyone.
Yeah. For the parents too.
For sure.
And I really like how they talk about creating positive dental experiences for life.
Yeah.
Like they're not just thinking about, getting your teeth cleaned or getting to filling.
It's a much bigger picture.
Yeah.
It's about the long term.
All right.
And, research actually shows,
Oh, really?
that if a child has a positive experience at the dentist early on, they're more likely to continue going for regular checkups
Okay.
and take good care of their teeth
Makes sense.
throughout their life.
So it's like an investment.
It is an investment
Yeah.
in their future health.
Right.
You're building that foundation of positive associations
Yeah.
with dental care from a young age.
Right. And that makes me think about how they emphasize honesty and integrity.
Yeah.
It's like they're saying you can trust us
Yeah.
to do what's best for your child.
Exactly.
Right. It's not just about being a skilled dentist.
No.
It's about being a trustworthy dentist.
Absolutely.
Right.
Huge.
Yeah.
And I think it's a smart strategy
Okay.
because trust is so essential
Yeah.
in any healthcare relationship.
Absolutely.
When you trust your dentist,
Yeah.
you're more likely to follow their recommendations.
Right.
You're more likely to feel comfortable asking questions.
Sure.
And ultimately, you're going to have a better experience.
Yeah. So what can we learn
Yeah.
from all this?
I think it shows that
Yeah.
even seemingly simple choices, like the words you use,
Yeah.
can say a lot
Yeah.
about your values
Yeah.
and how you want to be perceived.
Yeah. It's like they're sending a message.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's a good reminder to pay attention to those cues
Okay.
when you're choosing a healthcare provider.
So like what kind of things should we be looking for?
Oh,
Like,
listening for.
what kind of language are they using? What values are they emphasizing?
Uh-huh.
Do they seem genuinely concerned
Oh,
about your
wow.
well-being?
So it's kind of like
Yeah.
being a detective,
A little bit.
but for healthcare.
Exactly.
Yeah. All right. So next time you're trying to decide about a healthcare provider,
Mhm.
whether it's for you or your kid,
Yeah.
take a moment to think about these things.
Yeah.
The words they use.
Yeah.
The feeling that you get.
The vibe.
And ask yourself,
Does this feel like a trust fall
ooh,
or something more like a warm embrace?
good question.
All right. And that's our deep dive
Thanks for having me.
for today.
I enjoyed it.
All right. We'll see you next time.
See you later.
Bye.